Hello and welcome to GenieBooks Android app tutorial. Not always we have a specific time of the day just for recording transaction, and there is always a possibility that we might miss out some of the transactions leading to revenue loss. That is why it is essential to have a mobile application which lets you connect to your financial data immediately. GenieBooks mobile app does exactly the same thing. Now let's explore the app. Once installed from Google Play Store, tap on the GenieBooks app icon. This is the login screen of the app. Log in with your registered user ID and password to start recording or reviewing the transaction on the go. If you manage more than one company, then select the company by tapping on it. You will be taken to the dashboard of the company, which gives you insights of the company's key financial parameters. Top left menu button helps you to choose navigate through the application. Tap on Masters to add or view customers, vendors or agent information. Search option makes it easier to find the desired customer or vendor or agent without scrolling the entire list. Tap on Inventory button in the menu bar to add or view inventory items. An inventory item can be added by tapping on the plus button available on the bottom right corner. Fill in the inventory details like name, barcode, HSN code, measurement unit, tax details, etc. and tap on the submit button to save the details. If you wish to create a sales tax invoice through the app, then tap on the sales button in the menu bar and then tap on the plus button available on the bottom right corner. To create tax invoice, fill in details like invoice type, e-com GSTIN, select order number, delivery note, buyer's name, place of supply, and other transactional details. To add inventory item details you wish to sell, tap on the Add Product Details button. Select the product, enter the quantity, enter the sale rate, and then tap on the Done button. Once item details are saved, application automatically calculates applicable GST on the transaction and smartly bifurcates it into CGST and SGST or IGST. Tap on the submit button to save the transaction. If you wish to send a copy of invoice to your customer instantly, then tap on the transaction you just created from the list of the sales transaction. Then use the share button to send the tax invoice through mail or any other messaging platform. Just like sales transaction, you can record your purchase transactions by tapping on the purchase button in the menu bar and then tapping on the plus button. Enter relevant details and then tap on the submit button. Similarly, all your expenses can also be recorded in the same steps. Just choose expenses from the menu bar and then tap on the plus button. To view different reports in the application, choose reports in the menu bar and then select the desired report. Let us view profit loss statement. Select the profit loss statement from the drop down, select the period and then tap on the get button to view profit loss statement. To share the profit loss statement to your consultants, use the share button available in the bottom right corner. In case you wish to download the report, then tap on the download button to download the profit loss into your mobile device. In case you wish to change the financial year and wish to see the transaction pertaining to different accounting year, simply use the calendar icon in the top right corner. Select the desired accounting year. In case you wish to switch to a different company, simply tap on the menu button available on the top right corner, which gives list of the companies you are managing, and then select the desired company. This was the general walkthrough of the GenieBooks mobile app. Thank you so much.